Hey guys, it's Marwan here again, your sales consultant at Steele Hyundai Halifax. And today I want to talk about this pickup truck behind me. It's the 2022 Santa Cruz Ultimate. Stay tuned. So guys, I always like to show you first a quick 360 look about this pickup truck. It's a really beautiful design. You got your 2.5 turbo engine right there. So right now I'm gonna show you a couple of features from the outside of the vehicle. Stay tuned. So guys, if you notice, it kind of looks like the like from the front of this pickup truck, it looks like the 2022 Tucson. This has almost the same look, not quite. This one has like bigger grills from up front. You got your forward collision camera right here, helps you avoid accidents. All right, there you got your blind spot assistant, as well as your blind spot camera right here. So the way that works is when you use your turn signal left or right, you get your inside the screen right there. I'll show you that soon. It'll turn on your blind spot camera. So this is from the back. To open this up, you just click right here. This will open. As well, you got your safety cover there. I also like this a lot just because in the winter when it snows, it'll be easier to clean off the snow when you have it closed. And in order to open this up, you got your safety switch right there. You just switch it and you just push forward, and easy, it slides right off. And you got tons of space there as well. So this vehicle obviously comes with the keyless entry. Just you have to have your key close to the vehicle, like if it's in your pocket, just click that. And it's gonna open the vehicle for you. So the back, it's actually really spacious down here as well. So your passengers can sit really comfortably. As well, this vehicle comes with a 20-inch all-season tires and rims. I like this design of the rim a lot actually. Looks kind of like a star. So right now guys, I just want to show you how the vehicle looks like from the inside and talk about some features. Stay tuned. Guys, this is how it looks like inside the 2022 Santa Cruz Ultimate pickup truck. I'm just gonna start it up for you. Press on the brake. You got your push start button right there. Just click on that. You got your 10.3-inch LCD touchscreen, compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as well. And you got your digital odometer and all that stuff right there. As well, the steering wheels with a couple of options. So if you go right here, that's the menu button. If you click on that, you can go to settings. You just have to press OK. So you got right here. So you got your driver assistant. You got your warning timing, all that type of stuff as well. So you can just use the touchscreen to scroll down instead of using the steering wheel buttons. Got your blind spot safety, parking safety. So right here you got your lane keep assist. That will help you stay between your lanes and so your car won't shift to the left or right. And right here you get your digital dashboard. You got your right there, you got your temperature control, your fan speed right there. And right here, if you guys notice, you got your USB and your USB charging cable, as well a wireless charger. So that's actually pretty cool. If you have iPhone 8 or up, or like Samsung, I believe it's a S7 and up. So they are compatible with wireless charging. You notice that QI symbol, which stands for Qi. So if you put your phone right there, it's gonna charge it up for you without using a cable. That's your gear shift here. You got your camera, so I'm gonna show you how the camera looks like actually. If you press on that, you get your rear view camera and your 360 camera. Nice and clear. As well, I talked about earlier about your blind spot camera like signal. So if you click to the right, see, there you go. The RPM will turn off and it shows you the camera for your blind spot. Left would be your speed odometer. That's awesome. It's nice and clear. As well, this vehicle comes with a heated seat and a cooling seat. So this is your cooling seat. So if it gets really hot in the winter, because it does come with like all leather seating, as you can see. So that helps a lot in the summer. So if you click on that, you got 3 different levels of cooling system. As well, in the winter, you got your heated seats with also 3 different levels. And you got your heated steering wheel. That will help a lot in the winter as well. So if you click on that, this will heat up and you can drive and feel cozy at the same time. And it does come with a sunroof as well, as you can see. I'm just gonna open up for you. There you go. And that's the button right there. You just click backwards and then it's gonna open. And click it one more time. That's gonna close it. It's really sunny, so I'd rather have it closed. That's most of the stuff I covered for you guys. If you have any questions, thank you guys again for watching this video. It's again Marwan, your sales consultant, Steele Hyundai Halifax. If you have any questions and would like to take this baby for a test drive, you can call me at 902-454-1000, or you can contact me personally. I have everything in the description below. That's all. Have a good day.